Hello and welcome to By Invite Only Season 2. My guest tonight, the first one, actor, comedian, one of the biggest household names in the country. The second one, came to Bombay to become an actor. Now one of the biggest casting directors in the country, a star maker, a debutante filmmaker with a recent release. Now moving on to multiple other things. Mukesh and Sunil, welcome to By Invite Only Season 2.
Dhanabad.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having us.
Welcome. Thank you. You're always welcome. Can I have my invite card signed?
Yes, sure. I'll just give you my
Mukesh
number.
Chabra. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank
Give
you.
the pen.
Yeah.
Okay. You'll take it back later.
How did you know I wanted to keep the pen with me?
Because
you
childhood
could see
adat,
that.
all this.
I have about 300 pens like this.
Yesterday you
I
said
don't buy
200.
pens, by the way.
You said 200
From
yesterday.
where have you picked these up?
Huh?
From where have you picked these pens?
Everywhere. Hotels.
Huh.
Can I borrow your pen? Can I have your
Keep
pen?
it.
And mostly people, the cheap pens, they don't remember. They forget.
When we were small, we used to
Keep in
carry
your
that
pocket,
stick and
keep
Reynolds
this
pen
pocket.
to break that pen. Remember that?
No, I wasn't that.
Oh, the
The blue one, the blue
got
duck. You
it.
should put it here and
I
break
won't
it.
do that. लोगों ने मेरे साथ किया ऐसा मैंने नहीं किया.
Don't lie, Paji. Don't try to become...
मैंने कोई तोड़ा नहीं पेन ऐसा किसी का. मेरे तोड़ा है, मेरा दिल टूटा उसके साथ. You cannot break somebody's pen. You can't tie it here.
I want to know, see, now since you guys have come together on the show, I want to know, how did you guys meet each other? Is it like did you guys meet each other in a professional setup?
ये कैसा couple type सवाल है ना कि
नहीं, मतलब ये
पहली बार कहाँ मिले?
It's cute, kind
We
of cute.
known each other from before...
See, Mukesh wants to answer this. I'm telling you.
Okay.
But we met, like, I don't know. I don't even remember now how many years back.
But was it like a professional setup or like,
Not professional.
what was like?
But I became his fan after, of course, I knew him before, but I became his friend because of his talent.
Yeah.
So I think one of the best actors in this country we have. So that's, I love him as an actor, as a person.
What did you? I missed it. Sorry.
I said you're one of the best actors in this country I know.
Okay.
And I know him very well. I can proudly say that he's my brother.
Thank you. Thank you. And I think he's absolutely right.
Return the favor.
Of course, everyone knows.
Yeah.
That you are the best actor in the country.
No, I'm not
But
the
you
best
are,
actor, but
but-
that's the love that he has for me, of course.
Yeah.
And I understand that after casting so many films and coming across actors every day, every minute, meeting new actors, old actors, established actors, actors who want to establish themselves, he's meeting every day from 1 year or 6 months old child, maybe newborn babies also you cast.
Yeah.
But you're there,
To
then the labor wards.
110 years old actors from every kind of actors he's casted in his film. So he comes across so much talent.
Yeah.
And when he says from, such an experienced guy who's expert in acting and he also teaches acting, takes classes and makes actors out of raw talent. So if he says something, I want to believe it. It makes me happy. Thank you.
Thank you, Paji.
Phenomenal. See, better than couples, brothers. Phenomenal.
So that's sweet because it gives me confidence.
Yeah.
Because person of his stature and caliber, if he acknowledges and appreciates what I do, it gives me more confidence to do better things.
Yeah, I'm sure it's the same way around for him. I want to ask the both of you, when you guys sort of started your journey and to where you are right now, what is one thing that you really wanted to achieve? And now looking back, you're like, that I've done. What is that one main thing that you wanted to like tick off?
I'll tell you honestly, when I moved to this city, I was always thinking, I just want to wake up every morning and go to work. And I think I've achieved that.
Yeah.
Every morning I
Now
wake up and I go to work.
he doesn't wake up because he doesn't get time to sleep. So he just goes.
Yeah. Goes.
Yeah, because
I think the dream remains the same. Wake up and go to work.
That's
but
very
now he
important.
can't wake up. He is so much work. 24 hours is
Yeah,
working.
the dream is, it's not been fulfilled as
Yeah,
yet.
yet.
You haven't.
No, but actually because when
Because you can't sleep.
During the, when we were like struggling, I don't say struggle, when we were trying to
Establish
yourself.
Yeah.
So, you have nothing to do. Every morning you wake up and look at the wall, up kya karna hai, where to go, who to call. We didn't even have mobile phones. So now I feel very happy कि चलो.
But so many actors you must be meeting every day who have the same expression on their faces when they see you. Because I have the privilege of visiting your office few times. And there are actors who are waiting outside your office
Yeah.
and looking at you. Do you see yourself in those actors?
100%. That is the reason
I mean, your
connect.
past.
That's wonderful, yeah.
That is the reason I connect with all of them, right? That's the reason I meet every actor.
Yeah.
Because I always feel that wherever I am today, all because of new talent and new actors.
He's a great face reader, and he gets to know the personality by the aura of the person. And
Yeah.
I have seen him helping people monetarily when he gets to know this guy doesn't have money to eat. I don't know how he gets to know. So he gave one person some money one day. And I said, why did you say he doesn't have money to eat? He's an actor who's struggling, and at least he needs this right now.
Yeah. Because there's also an actor inside you. Does it become difficult for you to say no to someone who's probably not good enough for a part?
I don't say
Because
no.
you also said that you see yourself in...
Yeah, because
You know, the actors who
I
study
don't
to do.
say no to the actor. I say no to the character.
Right.
I say you don't fit in that character. So I
Yeah.
know, and also
कितना अच्छा आंसर है. Nobody is hurt. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा. But actors होता है ऐसा.
yeah, because I always see कि actor अच्छा बुरा नहीं होता, casting is right and wrong होती है. So I will never say no to the actor. I said you're a good actor, but you don't fit in that part.
Yeah.
So I say no to
You
the
say
character.
that or you feel it?
I say that. I say it on the face that you're a good actor, but you're not right
You
for this
also
film.
feel it?
100%. Because when I work for different director, I know that this director might not like this kind of acting or this kind of an actor. I might use him somewhere else.
But what if an actor that you meet is not like a guy who's come or a girl who's come is not a good actor?
I always explain them, please work on yourself and just
Fair.
go and do some theatre and work on yourself. No, because I always say that don't move to this city if you're not fully trained.
Yeah.
Because these are the professional world.
Yeah.
Please come when you are ready. No, we'll learn in the process of auditioning. No. One bad audition can, you will not get any work.
Yeah.
It's very important for you to just first learn and then come to this city.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Totally.
It's a professional world. That's why I say it's a professional city.
100%.
Yeah.
Sunil, what about you? You have sort of come and exploded. And I know you came from theatre, and I saw this interview where you said, if I could have 25,000, if I had earned 25,000 from theatre in a month, I would have stayed there.
Yeah.
But you wanted to make money. And today, you exploded in television. You're one of the biggest household names in the country, like I mentioned. You're doing movies back to back. You're doing shows. What is that one big thing that you ticked off out of all of this? Or have you not ticked it off as yet?
Yeah, I had seen some concerts initially when I was in Chandigarh. So this guy is performing and big star singer, and I was, everyone was saying, hey, 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 they're shouting for him, they're screaming for him.
Yeah.
And one day, I went on stage.
You had
once
that.
I got popular.
Yeah.
So I felt that. I looked back, if it was someone else, no, it was for me. So that was one moment when I realized magic happens.
Yeah. That's
So it
incredible.
was
actually.
magic.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Totally.
So each time someone gives me a compliment, makes me happy.
Yeah, 100%. You've also sort of rewritten a lot of myths that people have about actors in the industry, right? For a long time, people thought that if you did comedy roles for a long time, then you will be sort of typecasted in that and that only. But the kind of roles that you've been doing in the past few years, you've sort of broken down shit. What does that make you feel?
Actually, the credit doesn't go to me. It is to the makers, people who cast, like Mukesh Chabra. To see you in a different light.
Yeah.
And I did Bharat. He casted me in that film. And then I did Tandav.
Yeah.
With credit goes to Ali Abbas Zafar, because he could see that I could do the negative part and this kind of shade. And it is very difficult not to do, but to public image what they think of you.
Yeah.
You're always having a thought in your head, what if I am trying to scare people? I am trying to kill people. Now, what if people laugh there?
Yeah.
Ha, he's the guy who's trying to kill. No,
Yeah.
you don't want that.
Yeah.
But I am lucky that way.
I think you're not lucky, you're a great actor.
Yeah.
You're very,
Phenomenal at what you do.
whenever, I meet so many actors, you always say that, sir, I am very good at comedy, please cast me in comedy roles. I always say that means you're not an actor.
Right.
Some people come to me and say, cast me in a villain role. I said, that means you're not an actor.
Because you'd be able to perform everything as an actor.
You're an actor, you can do everything.
Yeah.
So
But my
that's how-
take on comedy also has been, maybe it's my limitation which is working for me, is I do characters
Right.
and I make caricatures out of it.
Right.
So for realistic roles, I just cut the caricature part
Yeah.
and do the realistic stuff.
But that's an amazing observation also. No? How you observe people. Caricature is also part of observation. No? You observe a person and you just
Amp it up.
take. Yeah, that's how you do it.
Yeah. But Mukesh, also I wanted to, before we take a break, I want to ask you, there is also like a system in Mumbai especially, because there are now casting agencies is like a proper system
Now,
in the industry, right? So I have seen a lot of actors who sort of come into the industry, and now suddenly like everybody is like, we'll start as casting assistant there where we will learn the process. Is this the right way according to you?
No.
Yeah.
I always say
I'm
that.
sure you've met people who...
Yeah, there's so many people also assisted me. Actor assisted me. They now made it very big. They are now doing well as an actor also. But I always say that don't join a casting director to become an actor. Just join the casting, just learn first.
Yeah.
I don't like any intern, any assistant जो सच आता है और फिर से बोलता है मुझे audition कर लो. I said no. Learn the craft, learn how you audition people, read the script. Just first learn. So it's not a good idea. That is the reason I stopped taking actors now as an intern or a casting assistant.
How do you know that this guy doesn't want to become an actor?
I think he knows.
You get to know.
He smelled one out today.
He could tell that, actor.
Yeah, you get to know. Because you cannot lie. Because when you want to get into acting, you cannot lie. Performer cannot lie.
Yeah.
All other department people can lie, but actor cannot lie.
So it looks like that is not true.
नहीं ठीक बात है क्योंकि
See, as an actor, when you are performing, you can maybe play a different role. But when in person, you cannot hide your performance side of it.
Yeah.
Something I will get to know.
So do you agree?
To
This an actor cannot lie.
He's a casting director. I cannot
You
disagree.
agree. You agree wholeheartedly.
And also maybe I've done like I just must have done like 200.
But he tells me if I have slept.
One second, can I just throw light into this random like piece of information? Must have done some like 200 movies and shows.
200 film, at least 100 shows and some 2000 ads maybe.
2000 ads.
More than
इतने बने?
Fuck my life.
जो नहीं भी बने उनकी भी casting की इन्होंने.
All.
अच्छा कोई एक I always want to ask you this. अगर एक बंदा बैड स्क्रिप्ट के पास साथ लेके आपके पास आता है और आपको बोलता है मेरे लिए कास्टिंग कर दो तो आप क्या करते हो फिर?
I'll tell you honestly, जब भी कोई स्क्रिप्ट लेकर आता है मेरे पास तो my job is to cast and make sure with casting and make that script better with the correct actors. So because my job is to cast and not to give my.
बोल देते हो आपकी स्क्रिप्ट पूरी है?
हाँ बोल देता हूँ. अभी बोल देता, शुरू में नहीं बोलता था. अभी बोल देता the script is not working. अभी बोल देता हूँ. पर मैं कोशिश करता हूँ. My job is to cast, and I don't say no to Lakshmi and work here. I said I said
your job is to cast.
My job is to cast, not to give feedback on everything script, because my job is this. Because they don't give me feedback.
How many scripts you read?
Yeah, I've done like more than 200 films. I must have rejected 300 also. मतलब कितना 800 script तो पढ़ा होगा life में.
Okay, on this wonderful note of rejection, I have to tell you, like you said, casting is your job. My job is being overtaken by this man who's also
sorry,
asking.
I want to ask this.
I love it.
I love it. I'm sorry.
I love that you're taking this opportunity to ask questions.
Why don't you finally you shift come this side and then you come. Let's
see. Let's in the last round.
Last round, I am sitting here only. That's different.
Well,
okay, on that note, we'll take the first break, okay?
Why do we need to take a break?
They have to. Commercial break.
Why
they
commercial?
Need to see, let them see ads, okay? You see ads, not
और मैं सबको बता दूं ये जितने भी ग्लास रखे हुए हैं इनमें कुछ भी पीने लायक नहीं है सिर्फ डिजाइन है
ये कट किया जाएगा आप ब्रेक ले लीजिए और वापस आ जाइए प्लीज
People come to you and my friends say अरे यार तुम लोग तो पार्टी करते हो अय्याशी करते हो हाँ घूमते फिरते हो डांस करते हो बहुत हार्ड वर्क है
Somebody sent me a huge जितना भी मैंने फिल्म्स किया सबके पोस्टर और सेंटर में मेरा बड़ा वाला फोटो लिखा था मुझे इससे मिलना है साथ में भगवान की फोटो लगी थी I said oh my god please don't do this.
How sweet.
Welcome back to Mind Varuni Season 2. You guys welcome back. We are in conversation with Mukesh Chabra and Sunil Grover. Are you guys having a good time?
Yeah.
You guys are talking to each other only, so it's great.
No, we're having
I'm loving this.
No, we are also loving it. We are also loving it.
Okay.
And talking to you like this is more fun.
I want to know what are like myths that you've heard about what you do. Like for example, you as a casting director, I'm sure when people come here or like when people send you messages or requests or like DMs or emails, Like, what do they expect out of you? Which isn't probably true.
Yeah, true. Matlab, they all ask for work only.
Yeah.
Simply, yeah, they all ask for work only.
Yeah.
But I understand, yeah, because everybody is trying to get work in this city. It's a difficult city. So there is no myth, but I think they all try and find a way to reach you.
Yeah.
To reach me or my assistant or my team. So I think there is no myth. They are looking for work.
Yeah.
And they see some hope and they see some...
I think the myth with him is that he has role for everyone.
Yeah.
Or...
Yeah, I did think like that, but actually ऐसा होता नहीं है because there are very limited work and there are so many actors.
Yeah.
To, just... And you can't keep happy
ये
everyone.
मुझे जानबूझ के काम नहीं दे रहा है.
इसने अपने दोस्त को कास्ट किया होगा, इसकी जान पहचान है, इसने दोस्त को कास्ट किया होगा. I think यार के इतनी फिल्में करी, इतने सारे दोस्त तो कभी किसी को हो ही नहीं सकते. You can only have 2, 3, 4 friends. I have only one friend and it's really nice. No, but I'm saying friend जिसके साथ you can actually talk, actually emotionally share. Otherwise तो Bombay में everyone looks like everyone's friend, but that's not true.
Yeah. But I have a question for you before we go to Sunil. I saw an interview that you did, like it was like I think like a masterclass sort of a thing, where about 300 people were in the audience, and the anchor asked you, do you think that all 300 of them will get work in the next 5 years or so? And you said 100%. You said 5,000% is what you said. How do you say that with that kind of assurance?
See, I think if you're honest, if you know your job and you're working hard and you're very positive, you will definitely get work.
Right.
You know, हम बचपन सुनते आ रहे that wake up early, go for work, respect to mom and dad, don't waste your time.
Right.
You follow that.
Yeah.
That's all.
Yeah.
Just be honest to yourself and do your work, and no one can stop you.
These like pearls are dropping today. So I want to first of all congratulate you.
Yeah. Pearls.
Pearls. It'll drop from here also now. I want to first of all congratulate you because I remember you doing the character Gutti, which is on prime time television, and this is the first time I heard you say that you didn't think of it as drag or anything like that.
Never.
But this is also the first time that you sort of included a character like that and made it very, what do you call it, like a household character to the Indian mass. And I think that was very important because you had to see drag in a sort of massy way to sort of understand it too more. What kind of comments have you heard from like people about this? I know there is like, I'm sure there's hate at some point mixed in reactions, but then what is the kind of love that you've gotten?
Immense love.
Yeah.
And from be it girls or the other gender, the lesser gender, or anybody, you know, lesser might be men.
I love that.
Men is lesser gender.
Love that.
So girls, I'm saying, where...
For a second I was like, what?
No.
The inappropriate?
No. So I feel females, when they admire you, playing a girl's character, when men admire you, it's okay, I don't care.
Yeah.
When girls,
of course.
Being a drag,
Yeah.
no, of course I care, I have full gratitude, but
what
matters is when a girl is saying, oh, I love your Gutti, Gutti performance. So being a girl, because I'm not playing this as keeping that I'm playing a girl, I'm playing a person who happens to be a girl.
Yeah.
And I'm living and I'm enjoying that moment, being that character, and that's what I love about the shy girl who, when she gets a chance to be open and, you know, overconfident, that and funny, of course.
Yeah.
So I love that part.
I want to ask you, phenomenal. I want to ask you, I think a lot of us didn't really grow up with social media, right? Like the new generation is like Instagram, like, you know, by birth, parents are only making Instagram account of the baby and they're born with it. But
actually, I've seen so many new accounts.
Parents only. Then they, I think, after
3 month old, 6 month old, 9 month old baby.
After a certain age, they give that account only, because already become influencer, the baby. Then the baby takes it forward. But then how do you sort of, you guys are both on social media, and it's a big part of what you guys do because it's also business, it's also like promotions that you can do, and you can make money from that platform also. How do you learn to deal with hate on a platform like that? I'm sure you guys have gotten hate or trolling at some point. How do you deal with it when this was not like the first thing that you grew up with?
He's waiting for my answer first. I'll tell you honestly, in the beginning I used to feel really, really, really bad.
Yeah.
But then I realized, ये तो generalize है, सबके साथ हो रहा है. So then I'm also part of the same generation. And it's with everyone. It's not just me, it's with you, it's with everyone.
Yeah.
So it's okay, it's with everyone. You're not specific one person or one human being, or it's with everyone.
Yeah.
So I think it's okay. I think it is a part of life now.
Yeah.
So after a point, realize कि यार ये तो सबके साथ हो रहा है. I'm not just alone.
So you don't feel bad anymore.
I don't feel bad anymore. And even if you read it, as you read it, and then you think कि यार एक moment लगता है नहीं यार. Then I will sometimes feel like replying to that person. So नहीं यार. If I reply to one person, then I have to reply to 3 more persons.
Yeah.
And okay यार, it's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's okay. Yeah. Just
मैं
You're
smile.
indifferent.
मैं कई बार एक एक्सरसाइज करता हूँ. मैं लगता हूँ कि अब इसके अंदर कोई नीचे क्या लिख सकता है.
Yeah.
है ना? ब्यूटीफुल सन, है ना? अब इसके नीचे क्या लिखेगा? तो उसके नीचे भी 2-3 लोग लिखते हैं.
हाँ.
So उनको लिखना है.
हाँ. Correct.
उनको मजा आता है.
हाँ.
तो मैंने भी अब लिखना शुरू कर दिया नीचे कभी.
You reply?
No, I sometimes I reply back, but now I don't care much actually.
Yeah.
मैं तो एक तो लिखा था चलो बुरे कमेंट लिखो.
हाँ.
Then we stop.
Caption. बुरे comments लिखो.
चलो बुरे.
Who taught you?
ऐसे जनरली ऐसे चलो लिखो बुरे कमेंट लिखो. तो किसी ने लिखे ही नहीं. हाँ, they all started laughing.
Yeah, that's true. Like, you know, the comment section is a weird place, I've realized. Also, like, when they give you hate and if you one time you reply, then they'll be like, but, you know, we to love you. We to randomly did it to get your attention.
And the best part,
Yeah.
after point of time, you see the same account is not there anymore.
Correct.
That account disappears.
Yeah, mostly these accounts don't have names.
Names, no profile.
They have numbers.
Yeah,
7, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5. They don't. They also themselves don't remember that account because how can you remember 0, 7, 8, 4, 2, 3, Ramesh, 4, 5, 4, 8? It doesn't end. It's such a one
long
meter.
username it is.
Yeah.
So I think it's with everyone. I'm sure you must be getting a lot of hate comments. So I think it's with everyone now. तो ऐसे कि जब अकेला होता है ना आदमी then लगता है कि यार oh fuck
But at the end of the day, it's attention. It's
Yeah,
fine.
of course, 100%.
They're giving you attention.
Yeah.
If they don't care about you, they won't comment.
Yeah, 100%.
They care about you.
We must also talk about love because you guys get a lot of love for the work that you do. But what has been like the trickiest, like a fan experience been like? Like, tell me one space where like probably like an actor went like crazy in a situation, or like a fan went crazy seeing you. Like where like, you know, like there's also like a certain level of line, but like sometimes it's cool only because it's out of love. But then like, what's the place where you're like, okay, calm down.
Yeah, I have come across few people. With this person, I was doing an event. This person was waiting there, and the moment I was crossing, he started crying and howling. I would say, oh, calm down. It was also nice that that's a love purely.
Of
but
course.
once I hugged that person, I also felt nice. There was immense amount of love.
Yeah.
And
How old was like this person?
this was 3-4 years back.
No, as in like how old is this person?
Would be around 18, 19, maybe
Okay.
20 maybe.
Ah.
But then there are different moments when this lady came to, where I was at Bangalore airport. This lady, I was sitting in the lounge and this lady comes and puts a piece of paper and then she left. I read, she read it once I leave. I said, okay, thank you. So she left and I read it. So it was very moving because said I had lost my son. She was a young lady. 6 months back, and thank you for helping me out in those times. So I could actually revive. Thank you so much. I cannot express. So she showed her gratitude towards whatever work we do.
Yeah, that's incredible.
And that was moving.
Yeah.
Because you don't realize in a studio you're working, you're shooting, you're acting, you're making jokes, you're cracking jokes.
Yeah.
And where all it helps, you don't realize that's the power of entertainment.
Yeah.
That's why entertainment industry. People in hospitals, they watch shows, films, movies, piece of art, and they enjoy. They forget their pain.
Yeah, so many people who come out of depression just because of the comedy and the entertainment that they watch.
Beat anything.
Anything, yeah.
So they forget their world, they get into that world. It's so beautiful.
Yeah.
And that time you realize, oh, you're part of such a beautiful industry.
Yeah.
And you were talking about myths.
Yeah.
So the myth, normally when, you know, people come to you and my friends say, अरे यार तुम लोग तो पार्टी करते हो, अय्याशी करते हो, हाँ घूमते फिरते हो, डांस करते हो, बहुत हार्ड वर्क है, बहुत हार्ड वर्क है, और अच्छे कपड़े आपने इतने अच्छे पहने और इतना अच्छा स्टाइल किया हुआ है, ये इसके पीछे बहुत सारा थॉट है, I think it would have taken you. Huh?
Yeah.
Both of you also looking great on me.
No, मैं तो शर्ट पहन के आ गया. But what I'm saying.
Yeah, we spend a lot of time on
effort
everything.
Yeah.
Effort.
goes because
It's not
you
easy.
want to look nice to other people.
Yeah,
It takes so much effort goes into it.
yeah, totally. So well said. What about you, Mukesh? What have you?
I met such crazy fan and so much love. I've seen. Abhi recently somebody sent me a huge. जितना भी मैंने फिल्म्स किया सबके पोस्टर और सेंटर में मेरा बड़ा वाला फोटो लिखा था मुझे इससे मिलना है साथ में भगवान की फोटो लगी थी आई सेड ओ माय गॉड प्लीज डोंट डू दिस
How sweet.
सो आई फेल्ट लाइक यार कि
Because you are a teacher also.
Yeah.
yeah
So I think teachers
No,
have
but-
that privilege.
Yeah.
Where because teachers are God.
no but I feel very I feel very responsible and I feel
Yeah.
also very feel bad because I see कि वो यार you see कि वो कि बॉम्बे जाना है and you see सब बिग डायरेक्टर के फोटोग्राफ एंड बिग प्रोडक्शन हाउस एंड देयर इज मी माय फोटोग्राफ आल्सो देयर कि बॉम्बे जाना है इससे मिलना है
Yeah.
सो आई सेड so I feel very
Because you are in many ways the connection for a
Yeah.
lot of people into those channels, you know.
yeah so they have those big you know घर पे लगाया है उन्होंने एक पेंटिंग लगाया है चार्ट
Yeah.
लगाया है तुम्हारा फोटो है so वो feel when I see that then they send me that I say यार don't do this I feel very responsible I get very scared कि इतने सारे लोगों की hopes इतनी सारी उम्मीद I hope I can help everyone
Yeah. It is very overwhelming, but it sounds beautiful though.
yeah
On that overwhelmingly beautiful note, we will get to do a game. It is a quiz.
I love games.
Yeah. You hate it.
Mad about
You
games.
hate it. I know you hate it.
no he love game no he love game
Psychology honors graduate. I'm a little bit I'm reading from you.
oh really oh.
I studied in Kim, yeah.
अच्छा.
Which is my
उसमें
pet-
क्या होता है साइकोलॉजी में क्या होता है?
कुछ नहीं. I went for one internship to one mental hospital. I got depressed and I said, this is not for me.
So you needed a psychologist.
Yeah, I needed one. Yeah.
I am that person.
Of course you are. I'm coming to you. Okay, chalo. This game is a quiz, okay, about movies, trivia and all of that. Now, how will we decide? I don't want to do one by one. How do we decide who's answering? You just go for the answer. If you know the answer, just go for it.
okay so I think
देखो मुझे ना पिछले हफ्ते में 2 लोग पूछ चुके हैं.
Yeah.
Who is the president of India? तो मैं वो पढ़ के आया हूँ. मुझे याद भी है. Of course I know.
Not GK, like movie GK.
Movie GK.
Okay? Very, very simple.
so we'll get hamper or not nothing
In the next, not in this game.
Next episode.
But we have to be, for the love of cinema, we have to play it. Okay, we
cinema
have
is everything yeah
Correct.
तो ले लेंगे.
Now I've pressed the right button. Are you
Nice
ready?
pen.
I'm ready
Pen
Okay.
बहुत अच्छा.
If you stop it. Okay, I'm starting. Sunil, come.
ऐसा सिल्वर से सिग्नेचर हुआ है ना. सिल्वर पेन
What nonsense.
मेरे पास नहीं है.
सब कलर के पेन है सिल्वर नहीं है
अल्लाह.
You will get. This is the gift you get. The silver pen.
ये तो मैं वैसे ही ढाप लेता.
आप लेता
Okay, so I'm starting. Okay.
Yeah.
Very simple. This is. Who plays the female lead in the movie Chandni Chowk to China?
दीपिका पादुकोण
You didn't know. I think you
He
knew.
casted.
no I didn't do that no I didn't cast
Okay, one. Who directed Dil Chahta Hai?
फरहान
फरहान
अख्तर
अख्तर.
He said it first.
हाँ?
He said. I heard.
अख्तर हमारा सेम टाइम पे लैंड हुआ है.
मेरे पास
फरहान इनका पहले आया था.
2.
हाँ?
Who starred opposite Raj Kapoor in the movie Barsat?
हाँ?
मधुबाला
No, no.
हाँ? नरगिस.
Ah, correct. That's correct. 1, 2.
Oh,
Which
casting
of the
director.
following? Now listen. Which of the following actors
पर उस
appeared?
टाइम पे नहीं कास्टिंग करते थे नहीं.
उस टाइम पे तो मैं हाँ मेरे पापा भी पैदा नहीं हुए थे
This is. This is time ka little bit. Which of the following actors appeared in all of these 4 movies?
All.
The,
all the four
Question I knew, but all I want to listen to all.
You
is
wanted
the
my Mallu
Kerala
accent.
Yes,
Why are you
all
all of these.
all of the. I love it.
My God, my
My
insecurities.
English,
You are tapping
Hindi,
into it.
everything is Punjabi. हाँ.
I'll give you all these 4 movies. I'll give you. कुछ कुछ होता है, कभी खुशी कभी गम, कल हो न हो, and कभी अलविदा न कहना.
शाहरुख खान.
मैं बोलने वाला था
I was going to give options.
शाहरुख
But
खान
bam.
I'm a fan.
2-2. Well done, Mukesh. Which cities does Rani visit when she goes on a solo honeymoon in Queen?
London.
Paris.
No. There are 2 cities. It's not London.
Amsterdam
Yeah, Paris and
Amsterdam
Amsterdam. Yeah.
Paris and
3-2.
No, why 3-2?
हाँ तो
आधा ठीक था मेरा पेरिस.
नहीं
2.5.
2.5. 2.5.
Who plays God?
2.5. Hello.
2.5, 2.5.
2.5.
The brotherly love. You
No. 3
Okay,
and 2.5.
3 and 2.5. Okay.
Yeah, because Paris was correct.
That's fine. Oh.
2.5.
No, 3 and 2.5 because
ठीक है.
both
3 and
your cities
2.5.
were correct.
Okay, हाँ.
In the movie Karthik calling Karthik,
Farhan Akhtar.
who was actually calling Karthik?
Farhan Akhtar.
But who was calling Karthik?
कार्तिक
Karthik.
But who played Karthik?
No, that's not the question.
No, who played Karthik?
Farhan Akhtar played.
No,
the-
but who played Karthik?
Farhan Akhtar.
My answer is advanced.
It was not. That's not even the question.
No.
भाजी मैं जीता. Who was calling कार्तिक? कार्तिक was calling कार्तिक.
But who played Karthik?
कार्तिक.
Farhan Akhtar.
हाँ, then I wasn't wrong.
4, 2.5. Stop.
नहीं भाई. नहीं. Keep it 3, 2.5 because I was not wrong.
Not
I
at
think
all.
you were wrong.
That's not even the question. Calm down. In Chak De India, how many minutes according to Coach Kabir?
60 minutes.
70 मिनट. कई लोगों को बहुत जल्दी है.
3.5.
बहुत जल्दी है जीतने की.
3.5, 4.
नहीं 4 कैसे?
4 है.
मैं पहले वाला जीता था ना मैं.
Which is the only...
नहीं वो कार्तिक वाला कंसीडर नहीं किया जाएगा.
नहीं किया जाएगा.
Consider.
कार्तिक वाला मेरा करेक्ट था.
It is considered. Which is the only Bollywood movie to win 13 Filmfare Awards. This is a very recent one. Like in the last couple of years types it has happened.
थप्पड़.
No,
नहीं.
Recent movie I'm saying.
Recent movie.
Like in the last few years it has happened.
हिंट मत दो भाई.
ये वो एक्टर की फिल्म थी. एक सेकंड.
दिल धड़कने दो.
वो एक्टर की फिल्म थी. ये जो अभी आई यार जो अभी
Yes, it is that.
वो एक्टर की जो लास्ट फिल्म थी गोली गली बॉय.
Yes, that's there we go. 5, 3.5. You can still. There are 2 more questions. You can do it.
Unfair है ये.
What is Shah Rukh's mantra to woo a girl in Kal Ho Na Ho? He says one line. It starts with Che. You said you're a fan and all now.
Yeah, but 6 is what? Gujarati.
He says 6.
6.
Huh.
6.
He says something like, in 6 days, something in Hindi he says.
कल हो ना हो.
He says, 6 din ladki in. Like that. Okay, last question now. Anyway. From where does Biru propose to Basanti in the movie Sholay?
टंकी के ऊपर.
That is correct. It is 4.5 and 5.
Who's 5?
He is 5. But it is okay. It's fine. You put up a great fight, I want to tell you. There is no real winner in this game. Because you're not winning anything in this one anyway.
pen.
पाजी तेरी जीत मेरी जीत तेरी हार मेरी हार
पेन तो दे दो अपने
सुन
हाथ में.
ले
please.
मेरे यार.
Mukesh, please give one consolation or 2. No, please give it to him. You must.
खाना पीना साथ है.
Thank you.
Okay. On
जीना मरना
this white pen note, we will take the last break. I will say in Hindi only. आप break ले लीजिए और ads देख लीजिए. हमें पैसा दिला दीजिए और उसके बाद वापस आ जाइए.
वाह फूल खिले हैं गुलशन गुलशन क्या है
यास्मीन मुझको
क्या
प्यार
नहीं करते.
जिंदगी बर्बाद हो गई.
Fab.
मेरा एक फेस का एंगल किसी ना किसी हर इंसान से दुनिया में मिलता है. आप वो आदमी सोचो और मिलाओ.
This episode is my nightmare. I'm telling you, I get terrors about this at night.
Oh, it is.
Welcome back to By Environi Season 2. Welcome back.
Thank
We're in
you.
Conversation with you, Mukesh, and you, Sunil. This is our last segment. It is called a quickie.
क्विक.
It basically means you good at this? Sunil? Okay. Doesn't matter.
I'll see.
Yeah. Quick questions and quick answers this time.
Okay.
Okay. We have this lady who has arrived, who will go home with one of you today.
कौन कौन से फोन है इसके अंदर मॉडल कौन
अब
कौन से.
वो दूसरा शो है, आप वहाँ पे पूछ लीजिएगा. वहाँ पे
Flowers are-
एक्चुअली फोटो तो दे देता उनके.
है क्या उसमें कितना एफर्ट लेना चाहिए. अगर तो ओनली कुकीज बिस्किट्स हैं तो
it is healthy, you know, fit.
Okay,
हेल्दी है हेल्दी इज एवरीथिंग.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. The quick questions and quick answers. Once I'll finish with one of you, and then the second one. Who wants to go first?
पाजी
If you were a journalist and had to ask a stupid question to the following, what will you ask Alia Bhatt?
कैसा लग रहा है आपको.
Yeah, this is fair enough.
कैसा लग रहा है
What will you ask Salman Khan?
कैसा लग रहा है आपको. Because I never understood this question.
Yeah.
कैसा लग रहा है आपको.
Like who will say the
क्या
truth
लग रहा है
about
आपको. कैसा लग रहा है. कैसा लग रहा है. कौन लग रहा है. किधर से लग रहा है. कौन मार रहा है किसी को. This question. Most of the interviews start with this.
कैसा लग रहा है?
कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
It is true.
Everyone I want to ask.
Who's one celebrity that you've been mistaken for? Like, did someone come up to you and say the wrong name or something like that? See, now I pronounce that O.
ये मैं झूठी बोलूँगा.
Go for it. Which one?
शाहरुख खान.
Yeah, of course.
नहीं.
That's
Actually,
too
नहीं,
bad.
नहीं, वो तो मैं उसे मेरे को लगा था नाम लेना तो बड़ा लो ना.
हाँ.
है ना?
Let's go international.
इंटरनेशनल.
हाँ.
बहुत लोग.
हाँ.
अच्छा मैं आपको एक बात बोलता हूँ. मेरी ना शक्ल देखिए आप.
हाँ.
थोड़ी दुनिया में हर आदमी से मिलती है. I am not joking.
What nonsense are you saying?
Okay. मेरा एक फेस का एंगल किसी ना किसी हर इंसान से दुनिया में मिलता है. आप वो आदमी सोचो और मिलाओ.
So what do you say?
We're actually thinking.
हाँ.
Yeah.
We're
I'm not
trapping.
joking.
You don't trap us, बाजी.
आप नाम लो. ओके.
हाँ.
आप नाम लो.
ऋतिक रोशन.
मेरे को पता था यही लोग हैं. 100% पता था और मैंने मुंह पहले रेडी कर लिया था.
Oh my God.
True.
कोई भी नाम लो. दुनिया में मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस देखो.
आलिया भट्ट.
ओके. वो आप देखो वो अभी मेल्स में.
Okay, female section we'll keep aside.
Yeah.
What about Rajkumar Rao?
और
Actually यार.
और बोलो.
He's playing with our mind.
Full episode is on this.
One more. Last one. Mukesh, give one.
मुकेश चावला.
You break it.
The plastic.
Phenomenal. Well done.
एक और.
Who
Anyway,
is your favorite actor?
अपना नाम ले सकते हैं?
Of course.
नहीं.
मेरा ले
बहुत
लो
सारे
पाजी.
मेरे
मेरे
बहुत सारे actors favorite. Actually, I'm not being.
That is
Well,
okay.
how could-
One. अभी आज रात के लिए कौन है?
आज रात के लिए राजेंद्र नाथ. ओए, my darling.
उससे भी मिलती है, correct? Who's your favorite director?
मुकेश छाबड़ा.
दिल बेचारा.
Name one movie or show or a live performance that you said no to.
Surely. As a child artist, I was offered. My mom didn't agree. No, it was before my birth actually. वो तो मेरे पैदा होने के पहले. So, वो मेरी मम्मी को ऑफर हुई थी तो मैं उनके पेट में था. नहीं, उससे भी पहले.
If the script demands, would you do an intimate scene on screen?
I'm in search of those scripts. Actually. Looking for that script.
Scared. What is one thing you have but the following don't? You have but the
What?
following.
Sorry. What?
One thing that you have but the following people don't. What is that? one?
Sorry. Following, I will listen to following. Oh, I love following.
This episode is my nightmare. I'm telling you, I get terrors about this at night.
Oh, it is. I love it.
Mukesh Chabra, what do you have that he doesn't have? He doesn't. Huh?
He doesn't have?
My English is gone for a toss. I'm telling you. What is one thing that you have but then he doesn't?
Laziness.
Okay.
Guess answer.
What would you do if you woke up one morning as Salman Khan?
I'll go to gym. He does every day without any gap. This is something which I admire about him. I love about him.
One special thing you can do
Never-
because like
So this is
only one day. Only one day. You're
One
Salman
day,
Khan.
that I won't waste in the gym.
Yeah, okay.
I'll go out in the open, in the public, take
Yeah.
a lot of love from people and call some people and...
Yeah, of course.
But I would need money also. What would I do? I don't know.
The first part is great.
Yeah?
Yeah. Well done. Well done.
No, I think his last answer से कुछ नहीं है.
No. Very happy. I've laughed a lot. This much I've not laughed in any. I have to tell you. Your turn, okay? Are you ready?
ये difficult सब ये round based ये वाला game जो है
The
ना
last question, just put it on.
There is a different version of it is there. If you were an actor making his debut, Mukesh, who would you like to be paired with? Mukesh, laughter question was very high.
नहीं मैं हाँ अच्छा sorry मैं actually इतने सारे अच्छे actor हैं ना मैं को
Correct,
choose करना पड़ेगा ना दीपिका
Who's the best Khan according to you? Shah Rukh, Salman or Amir?
all three are great I work with everyone I love all of them
One you're not picking? All three?
all three
Equally?
are great yeah
equally
because हम I know Bollywood because of all the three Khans
Yeah, of course. What would you do if you woke up one morning as Kriti Sanon?
I'll go to my small little puppy and just spend time with them.
Yeah, makes sense. What is one recent Bollywood rumor that you believe is true?
There's so many rumors यार किसके पे believe करो किसके नहीं करो तो there are so many rumors
Tell
about
one that you recently heard that is true.
that is true.
Yeah.
Rumor that is true?
Rumors नहीं पता थे कि when people saying अरे Rajkumar getting married I said yeah it's true.
Just shut up. This has come out already. They have already posted.
No, but I knew before that na.
He knows everything, by the way. Whatever the best information
Yeah.
about the industry, he has.
He only has. I know. Choose quickly. Rajkumar or Amit Saad?
Rajkumar.
Sushant in Dil Bechara or Sushant in Kai Poche?
Sushant in Dil Bechara.
Name one movie of which the casting is something you regret.
My own film?
Yeah. It doesn't have to be like a hectic thing. Like.
Yeah, there are so many films, yeah. Because I'll tell you what happened in all this. Because you also grow with work, right?
Yeah.
What I did 10 years back, I might not do it now. So there are many films.
Name you have to give.
Tum Bin 2.
Tum Bin 2. Okay, never have I ever wanted to sleep through a narration.
बहुत बार.
Yes, okay. Casted someone who wasn't good enough for the
That's
part.
the only time I think he gets to sleep with boring scripts. Actually, boring scripts आपके लिए अच्छी होती होंगी ना?
Yeah, this is the time when he gets to live his dream.
Yeah.
Wake up and go to work.
That's the only time when I get timed. Oh, I have to do it.
Never have I ever casted someone who wasn't good enough for the part.
Yes.
What advice would you give to your friend if he or she was dating the following people?
Following.
Kriti Sanon.
Don't trust easily.
Don't trust Kriti easily.
तो छोटा कृति को advice है कृति.
You're telling your friend
Yeah.
advice.
About Kriti.
Because he's dating Kriti. What advice will you give him?
She's very emotional. Don't break her heart.
I love how we've gotten both the advices in this one random fumble that
No,
you.
but generally, she's a beautiful
Of course,
soul. She's a
of
great
course.
girl. I think I'll make sure कि जो भी उसका जो heart break करेगा मैं उसके साथ बात नहीं करूँगा.
Yeah, she's beautiful. She's a beautiful human being. Completely agree. What if this person was dating Sunil Grover? What advice will you give her?
कि don't fall for his jokes.
Don't fall for his jokes.
मतलब पता नहीं वो jokes में अभी पता लगे कि
अपनी sentence complete कीजिए.
Don't fall for his jokes.
Okay, finally, give your review only through your expressions for each of these movies. Okay, now you know words, only facial expressions. Hands also can move if you want to. Time to dance. Okay. Sher Shah. Okay, that's true. Okay. Mimi. Very proud you are. And finally, Talaivi. Like interesting, like
very interesting.
देखना पड़ेगा types. Okay. Well done, both of you. Well done.
Thank you. बड़े difficult सवाल थे यार पाजी तो मैं
बहुत difficult.
हमने कभी ऐसे किया
You
नहीं.
didn't have
CBSE से भी
You were very politically correct. I want to tell you.
No, but I was genuinely saying I was not politically correct, but I genuinely meant it.
You were
What-
genuinely correct.
Yeah.
Correct. You genuinely all
I
right.
also feel that the same way. When I see talent shows,
Yeah.
when people judge the talent, I feel the same way. You cannot judge, similar kind of talent in the same zone.
But I will today. Between the.
But this is for you only. What I'm
This is
trying
my,
to tell you,
Oh, this is for
if
me
I'm
only?
the winner, then you judge. But
Okay.
if I'm
But I know,
not the
I,
winner,
just like, I
then
know how way to cast
you don't
now.
judge.
Huh?
I know way to cast you as an actor.
Cast me. What nonsense. This is.
भाई
I'm telling you.
इसकी वजह से आप नहीं जीतने वाले हो.
This is not my dream.
So even if I don't win the Emperor, I will still cast you.
आपने ऑफेंड कर दिया. ये वो वाली बात थी. कहीं होता है ना कि नहीं भाई साहब.
Huh. But I think.
But I believe in you.
See, you took a lot of long breaks. I'll give you my reasoning for judging also because I'm a fair judge like that. You gave a lot of laughter and all of that in the thingy. But in a quickie, you are supposed to be quick because you don't have too much time. Quickly in the washroom, you have to do it and come like that. So, but you took time.
But I performed first. So he got the idea from me. Now I have to be quick. I have to learn from this and that. So I was the first batsman on the pitch.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now he was
So the
very.
bounce was more.
He was quicker, but he was politically correct.
Yeah.
in a
So
lot
which
of
is
things.
not right.
While but he was going for the deep, correct answers in a frivolous game like this, which is where he faltered a little bit. But he was quick with stuff. He gave the right answer.
Yeah. Which means I am the winner, right?
Let me decide. Let me pick this up first.
पर ये जिसके पास भी है तो आएगा मेरे पास.
But I would like to say that, we shouldn't, like Mukesh said, we shouldn't say no to Lakshmi. And I hope that even if he's casting me, he will cast me for my honesty while I give this to him.
Seriously? Are you serious?
हाँ पाजी.
I thought I was winning. Oh, he was winning. Oh God.
पाजी मुबारक हो.
Thank you, भाई. मैं पहला रियलिटी शो जीता हूँ मेरी लाइफ में. इससे पहले मैंने कुछ नहीं जीता, पता है आपको?
Let me put it down for you.
ओ नहीं.
पाजी मेरे पे होल्ड करके फोटो तो खींच लूँ. फोटो तो खींच लूँ. फोटो मेरे पे लगे मैंने भी जीता है.
यार
नहीं.
एक काम करना, मुझे टोकरी दे देना.
पाजी क्या आप क्या खाएंगे?
सब खाऊंगे.
हाँ एक ही घर में जाएगा पाजी. अब भाई है नाम तो.
Okay, brother. I'll put it down for you.
मैं रखता हूँ. आप क्यों रखेंगे? मैं रखूंगा.
No, put it down.
यहाँ भी रख सकते हैं ना?
कैमरा में आएगा ना? फ्रेम
अच्छा है
कटेगा.
ना? पता चलेगा कि हमने हमारे पास है.
जीते.
This is
Flower.
For him.
for you. नीचे गिरा हुआ मैं देना नहीं चाहता था. ये आपके लिए.
Thank you. Oh, rose you've given me. Oh, how sweet. Thank you so much. From you also. So, you're not sulking about this. I really like it.
No, I am because मुझे पता है पाजी मेरी गाड़ी में छोड़ के चले जाएंगे.
मैं भूल जाऊंगा, छोड़ना नहीं चाहूंगा, भूल जाऊंगा.
Well done. Thank you so much, you guys,
Thank
for
you,
coming.
guys.
I had a great time. Like I told you guys, I love free-flowing conversations. This is great for me. Also, like, you took over a part of my job, which is great too.
But I actually wanted to know. These questions I had in mind.
Correct. It was great. It was very interesting for me also. So it was like, I laid back a little bit and I was like, okay, I'll listen to
So now we should ask one more सवाल to him also, ना? We should ask one question to him now.
What,
Why
like,
do you make up these questions?
I don't really like, I watch a bunch of your stuff and I just go with it.
Okay, you did research.
Huh?
Research on us.
Yeah.
Paji, people are doing research on us.
Yeah, I
Congratulations.
said facts and all, like in the beginning when I was asking questions, remember,
मैं साफ करके जाऊंगा. सब लोग पीछे मुझे.
What is that song? In that song, there is that I forgot that line. What's in that you're dancing and all. उसको आता ही नहीं है. Like that.
घर पे नंटे गुलशन गुलशन फूल खिले हैं गुलशन क्या है?
यास्मीन मुझको
प्यार नहीं करते.
जिंदगी बर्बाद हो गई. तो वो सब ठीक है. पर ये जल्दी निकल गया. पता है फूल कौन सा है? सारे एक एक पत्ता हाथ में आ गया.
Yeah, it's beautiful like that. We'll do Aarti later. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming on the show.
Thank you.
Please keep coming back because you're always invited on By Invite Only in the coming seasons also. I've really enjoyed this episode. I hope you guys had fun too.
Great. बहुत मजा आया. I'm really had fun. Seriously.
I enjoyed this conversation.
Me too.
Lovely. And आपके साथ बड़ा अच्छा लगा.
Thank you. Same.
और आप दिल से बात करते हैं, which is very beautiful.
Thank you so much, Mukesh.
God bless you.
Thank
I'm glad that we had this conversation and made this happen
Finally, after like I don't know how many years.
But he has actually deep understanding of people.
He is.
Psychology.
Thank you. That's so sweet of you. This is like the best things people have said about me at the end.
You
actually
have understanding of people.
Thank you. I'm great at.
Thank you guys. You guys are amazing too. I had a great time.
I had a
great conversation.
Thank you.
You guys, thank you. These roses are for you only. For this close-up camera of mine. Thank you for being there and watching and coming this weekend only again to see me. Following all of this. I'll say again if you come next weekend.
Following?
Oil. Everything. I'll say you come back next weekend. Until then, you take care. Okay. Bye.